Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you different ways to make money online. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a method to make $8 every 30 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, $8 in just 30 seconds. So, if you want to learn more about this method, make sure to watch this video till the end. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The method I'm going to share with you today is called binary options trading. Binary options trading is a type of trading where you predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down within a certain time frame. If your prediction is correct, you make a profit, and if your prediction is wrong, you lose the money you invested. Now, before you start trading, you need to choose a reliable broker that offers binary options trading. I recommend doing some research and choosing a reputable broker with good reviews from other traders. Once you have chosen your broker, you can start trading. The first step is to choose the asset you want to trade. This can be anything from stocks to currencies to commodities. Once you have chosen your asset, you need to choose the expiry time. This is the time frame in which you predict the price of the asset will either go up or down. Now comes the most important part, predicting whether the price of the asset will go up or down. This is where you need to do some research and analysis. Look at the market trends, analyze the charts and indicators, and make an informed decision. If you predict correctly, you make a profit, and if you predict incorrectly, you lose the money you invested. But don't worry, you can start with a small amount and gradually increase your investment as you become more experienced. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to make $8 every 30 seconds through binary options trading. Remember, trading is not without risk, so make sure to do your research and analysis before making any decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.